Good morning, everyone. Today we are finally with our product named Jika, which is the solution for the problem statement Find My Device. So let me quickly introduce my teammates first: Romil Sharma, Gishma Lakshmi Satyasree, Kushbu Singla, and Apeksha Goyankar. So this is the quick overview of the block diagram of a product G-Car, which mainly consists of four major components. The four major components are ESP32 microcontroller, RFID reader, RFID tag, and also an antenna to transmit and receive the signals between the RFID tag and the RFID reader. So this is the flow chart followed for our product Gker. So I'm pretty sure that by following each and every step in the flowchart, we are going to detect and we're gonna track the object by using a RFID technology. So let's quickly dive into the video demonstration of a Gker product.
So this one is the hub, this is the PoE, this is the antenna, this is RFID reader, this is the adapter and the wire, and this is the user manual. So basically the antenna will be connected to the RFID reader and PoE will be connected to the socket through this adapter for the power supply, and PoE will be connected to this hub through this wire for the data supply.
Now here we can see the actual passive RFID tag. So this is the exact passive tag which is available in the market. So now here I would like to give you a quick overview about two of our components, which are the antenna and the reader. So as you can see, we are having knots on all the four corners of the component so that it can be wall mounted or else it can be kept on the table as and when required. Now we can see a wire which is coming from the antenna. Then we can see the reader with the same specification of wall mounting or using it on the table. We have the option of keeping it by of giving the power supply by using the normal head after uh, by giving it a separate Ethernet, or we have a console option here where the user can give the power and the Ethernet together by using the EOP, and this terminal from antenna gets attached at the top at this place. So now let us see how we are going to mount the antenna on the wall and give the connections. Now here we are going to see how a user himself would install the antenna on the wall. So for that purpose uh, we have a nail which we have fixed in the wall. Then we are going to take our antenna. It has a folding flap type, it has a fold here. So we are just going to insert it in the nail as you can see it here. So it will just run simply the way it is. So in this way we are going to install the nail, the antenna on the wall. So now here you can see we have mounted our antenna in this fashion on the wall, and the wire is coming down towards our reader. Then we are having here a PoE switch and our hub. So the connection would be simple. We have taken power from the head after, which is going into our PoE at this point. Then the network coming into the PoE from the network hub, and then the output is coming from the PoE, which is carrying the power as well as Ethernet, and it is going into our console. Now the wire coming from the antenna this, the wire gives us the functioning of tightening the antenna cable into the reader. So we are going to tight this by rotating this into the reader, and we are going to connect it at terminal 1. To be on safer side, we have two antenna terminals. So now we are going to connect it here.
So I'll give you the demonstration of the UI of our application we have created for our product. So whenever the user detects the object, so the data will be displayed in this application, and also it can be visible in the web. So I'll walk you through this. So this is a sign up page. Once the user purchases our product, he needs to install an application, and the data he needs to fill this data. And the user has been already created, so every time he just needs to log in and put the credential here, so that the privacy is maintained of the customer. After opening and logging, this page will open, which shows that tag ID, object and location. So with that, this is a very blank page whenever the user first time purchases the product, so this will be blank.
So now we have pasted our RFID tag onto this object, which is a book. Now this book is found to be hidden from this point of view. So we are unable to find it. But by using our solution, since the book is under the range of the antenna, as it is clearly seen, the antenna is here and the book is here, so we would be able to track our book location. So let us quickly jump over how we are going to see this in our user interface.
Now we are able to see that this table is blank. Once the object has been detected with the help of RFID, we'll refresh this button and we'll be able to see that this table contains the data of the object which is located near the window. So it shows that the tag ID is 1001 and the location is window. So this is happened just because of the range of the reader 1. So it came under the range of the reader 1. Similarly, it would have been under the range of the reader 2, 3 and 4. So this similar functioning would give us the location respectively every time we try to search the object. Here we can see the refresh button. So every time whenever the user needs to refresh and check the new update, so it will be available. So this is how it looks after the data is fetched. So we can see that here the ID is 1001, the object is Caesar and the location is refrigerator. So there are several objects that have been detected with the help of RFID. So this will show where the object is basically placed, and it will be very easy for the customer to locate it.
So these are the cautions that can be followed while using our GCAR product. So turn off the device whenever it is not in operation so that you can save your power supply. And the next one is, in case of any confusion regarding our project, you can reach out the supporting documents, or you can mail us on support@gcar.co.in. And also please refer to the specifications on the product and other to the same. And also keep the GCAR product away from the children. So thank you from our GCAR team members.
That's all about our product. Thank you.